Planning lessons can sometimes feel like a marathon, but it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm showing you how to reclaim your time using Twinkl, a wealth of high-quality resources created by experts and ready for your classroom. From worksheets and PowerPoints and games, Twinkl's unlimited library has it all. All of the resources you'll find are standards aligned so you can get the support you need when you need it. Step 1. Identify your goal. Before searching, know exactly what learning gap you're filling. Step 2. Use our categories and filters. Type in a specific topic, such as respiratory system. Now you can filter by grade level and resource type to find exactly what you need in just seconds. Don't just hit download. Take a look at the preview and the description. You can see it includes a Who Am I riddle challenge and a detailed coloring guide. Perfect for independent practice. Organization is key to peace of mind. You can click Save to access it later. When you're ready, go to My Resources to access your saved resources. In Saved Resources, you can build custom folders. Simply click on the resource, choose the folder location, and then copy. Now, you can arrive Monday morning with your PowerPoints, activities, and assessments already organized in one spot. Now, it's time to teach. You can use hands-on printables to help students focus or stay digital by projecting onto your smartboard. Many teachers love to mix both. Here are some helpful Twinkl tips to keep in mind. Forgot to save something? Check your download history and recently viewed. And keep an eye on our newest resources page, which we're constantly adding to. Twinkl creates hundreds of new resources every month. And if you can't find what you need, please tell us. Twinkl actually uses teacher suggestions to create new content. We hope this walkthrough gave you some great ideas. Our goal is to provide you the foundation you need to lead your classroom with more clarity and less stress. Start your next unit with total confidence by clicking the link in our bio. Happy teaching!